Hello, guys. Welcome to Ramta Solutions. Welcome to your statistics videos. So, in today's lesson, we are looking at frequency polygons. Before we proceed this video, I want to believe that you have watched our video on histograms. If not, the video will be popping at the top right corner of your screen. You can see it popping now. Okay. Let's proceed. So frequency polygons has the same function as a histogram, or they have the same functions as histograms. However, unlike histograms, frequency polygons use line segments. Okay? Use line segments. Remember we said they have the same function as your histograms. For example, in the histogram, the x-axis was representing the quantities that you are measuring. And by then, we said we will use intervals. Even here, we will use intervals. While the y-axis was representing the frequencies of the quantities or the intervals. All right? Now, what makes them different? Remember, we said, unlike histograms, frequency polygons, they use line segments. So when we say they use line segments, that means every point which is a coordinate has x and y values. So the x values of the x values of the frequency polygons are the midpoints. Okay, they are the midpoints of the intervals, and the y values will be the frequencies of that particular interval. Okay, so please see the example below. Okay, so please see the example below. We are using this example here. Okay, we are using this example here. Remember, we also used it in the previous video. So maybe let me do this. Let me just copy the data here. Let me just copy this data here. Thank you. Next page. Let me paint it. I have pasted it. Okay, here is it. So now from this data, there's something that I want us to do now. Let me change the color. I'm going to be writing in a yellow color. So let's see what we're going to do. These are the heights of grade 11 learners. You guys remember in the video of histograms, they are the heights of grade 11 learners. These heights are in centimeters. Okay, perfect. So let's begin here. Let's have the interval. By having the interval, we'll then say, if you recall, the interval was 140. H is greater than 140 but less or equal to 150, or H is greater than 150 but less or equal to 160. Again, H is greater than 160 but less or equal to 170. Again, H is greater than 170 but less or equal to 180. Lastly, H is greater than 180 but less or equal to 190. If you recall the frequencies, we said I will also help to count them because it's like we're starting afresh. Those that are greater than 140 but less than 150, let's count them together. One. It's only one. Those that are greater than 150 but less or equal to 160. Remember, greater than 150 but less or equal to 160. We don't have any, so that's 0. Now, those that are greater than 160 but less or equal to 170. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Now, those that are greater than 170 but less or equal to 180. Let's see. Greater than 170, guys, but less or equal to 180. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, That's it. 6. And then lastly, those that are greater than 180 but less or equal to 190. 180. 1, 2. That's it. 2. So when you find the sum of the frequencies, do you get 16? Let's see. 1 plus 7 is 8. Okay, that's 16. So we are fine. Now, you need to find the midpoint. Okay, you need to find the midpoint. This table that I'm plotting here, guys, it is not that it is important, but if you like, you can draw it as well. But this part of the interval and frequencies is very important. As for this one of the midpoints, not that it's necessary, but you can have it as well. So, to help you find the midpoints of 140 and 150, I know the midpoint here is 145, but I will show you. It'll be 140 plus 150 all over 2. What is this? 290. So this will be 145, right? 145. In the same manner, you can find the midpoint of the rest. Let me give you some few seconds to complete them. Midpoint of 150 and 160, you will see that it is 155. Midpoint of 160 and 170, you will realize that it is 165. Midpoint of 170 and 180, you will realize that it is 175. And the midpoint of 180 and 190 is 185. Right? So now, when you are plotting your frequency polygon, remember the midpoint will be the x value. So what will it be? It will be 145 and 1, 155 and 0, 165 and frequency 7, 175 and 6, 185 and 2. So these are the coordinates that you are going to use. Okay, these are the coordinates that you are going to use. Okay, so now I'm going to draw. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw a frequency polygon of this data. Okay, now let's see. Before that, let me copy this because I will need it. Copy it. Let me go to the next page. The next page. But here was it. Oh boy. Let me use. Okay, so I can move them nicely. Okay, so now I'm gonna change the grid here. I'm gonna use a grid. Please bear with me, guys. I know it's not the best looking grid, but yeah, it does the job. Okay, it does the job. Let's see. Okay, perfect. So what we are gonna do now is a simple thing. Remember, so now we will say, let's see, I'm gonna draw a vertical line. It needs to have a maximum of 7. So let's see. Please note, guys, I'm gonna remove this grid later. I know it's not the best looking grid. Let's see. Let's say, oops, origin, it is 0. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7, this is 8. Okay, cool. Now we have 135, 145 as the minimum. So maybe let's have 130, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190. Do you guys see that? Let me try to extend this line here. Let me try to extend him. Okay, perfect. So this, we are calling it this. What did we call that? We called it height. Let's say it's height in centimeters, and the vertical axis is frequency. Remember frequency or count, right? Now, let's recall now. the point here, we had 145 and 0. Where is 145? 145 is this one here. 145 is this one here. 145 and 1, sorry. 145 and 1. We had 155 and 0. It's this one here. And then we had 165 and 7. Here was it. 165 and 7. It's this line here. And then we had 175 and 6. 175 is this one here. 6 is this one here. Then 185 and 2. Here's 185. Here is 2. Then, guys, you take your ruler. Okay, let me remove the grid so it can be a nice looking don't. Okay, I don't know what is this. Oh, it's not even supposed to be there. Okay, thank you. It's out. Now, you use your ruler, join the point. Okay, use your ruler, join the point. Do you see? Perfect. Uh-huh. And this is your frequency polygon. Okay, guys? This is your frequency polygon. Okay? This is your frequency polygon. It looks like this. Okay? The frequency polygon looks like this. This is how you draw your frequency polygons. So stay tuned. The next time you see frequency polygons is when we do past exam questions, right? Otherwise, stay tuned for the next lesson. It must probably be ogives. It must probably be ogives. So this is it, guys. Bye bye.